Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to study about the game between Grandmaster Viswanathan Anand versus Grandmaster Wesley So at the 2019 Tata Steel India Blitz. Grandmaster Anand actually learned the intricacies of chess in Manila, Philippines, where he lived with his parents in 1978 up to the 80s. I think he had great memories in the Philippines. Now, let us study an endgame problem at diagram A. As we can see, there are 7 pawns of white and also same counts of pawn of black. Fortunately, there is a pass pawn at e5 and connected to F4 pawn by the white side. Unfortunately, there is a double pawn at C7 and C6 at the black side, which is not good. Having 4 pawns at black side, but there is a double pawn, considered 3 pawns, so that is disadvantageous. Now this would be your assignment, so good luck and enjoy. Now we're going to diagram B to study a position where it's still in the opening stage, but we go back from this position after white moves d4, attacking the e5, then knight d7, protecting it or supporting it, dx e5, knight takes, bishop takes, f4 attacking the bishop, bishop check, king h1, f5. This is the move that I am a bit doubtful as it commits f1 at unnecessary position. So let us go to the big chessboard to analyze the main game. We start by playing e4. e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5. This is the Roy Lopez opening. Knight f6, d3 protects the e4 pawn. Bishop c5, bishop takes, dx c6. This creates a double pawn. Now, if you notice, black now has a bad pawn structure as having a double pawn. If you are playing the black side here, be careful on exchanging pieces due to in the endgame, king side pawns will dictate the outcome of the game because it is 4 versus 3 pawns. Continuously, knight bd2, but there's another move which is if knight takes, then queen d4. The knight at e5 is hanging. If bishop e3, queen takes, d4, queen takes e4, dx c5, queen x g2, rook f1. Now black has a great position. So after knight bd2, bishop e6, developing castles, bishop d6, bishop tries to protect the pawn at e5. So but we get to the other position, there is a better move of queen d6 as we see b3, knight d7, knight c4 attacking the queen, bishop takes, d takes, queen takes, rook takes, f6, bishop d2, castles. Pretty much equal as I see it. As we go back to the game, bishop d6 protects e5, now d4. This is a very good move as it forced piece exchange. Knight d7, dx e5, knight takes, bishop takes, f4 attacking the bishop, bishop d4, check, king h1. If you notice the pawn at king side, it is 4 pawns versus 3. So black must be careful of exchanging good pieces where white will dictate the momentum to outplay the black side. So be careful. f5, I do not agree with this move as it commits the f pawn. I prefer f6, which is much solid. Let's see. f6, f5, bf7, knight f3 attacking the bishop, bishop b6, queen e2, castles, b3, rook e8, bishop b2, bishop c5, rook a d1, bishop d6, which is this position is much better. Continuously after f5, then we have this move, queen h5 check, g6, queen e2, castles, knight f3 attacking the bishop. If this is a good move, white is slowly maneuvering. So bishop f6, the black bishop is watchful of knight g5 maneuver. e5 attacking the bishop at f6, bishop e7, rook d1 attacking the queen, queen e8, knight d4. That's the aim, to exchange the knight to the white bishop of black, so that there would be advantages because there's a pass pawn at e5 and same color of bishop. So queen f7, knight takes, queen takes, bishop e3. White now has advantageous position due to the obvious pass pawn which controls the center. The aim of move bishop c6 in the opening stage has implemented the plan to have a better pawn structure as shown now. Rook a d8, c4, a6, b3, solidifying pawn structure as well as placing the pawns opposite color. So king f7, which is my opinion, this is awkward. So h3, h5, bishop f2, rook takes, rook takes, rook d8, rook takes, bishop d8, queen e1, positioning, eyeing queen b4, queen e7, not allowing, king h2, king e6, another awkward position. Queen d7, then queen b4, eyeing b7 pawn. And then king f7, queen takes, queen d2, e6. I think, in my opinion, Grandmaster Wesley So missed this. It is a very good move, as save lots of tempo for the white side. King g7, bishop g1, queen takes pawn check, king h1, queen d6, queen takes pawn. White has now a dangerous pass pawn at a file. So black cannot prevent this pawn from promoting. Queen takes pawn, queen a7, g5, black must do something. a4 now, advancing. g4, attacking, black needs to counter attack. Queen e3, attacking the queen at e6. From this position, white now is winning. Black cannot afford to exchange queens because the pawn at a4 is getting to promote. So continuously, queen c8, another bad move, which is going to be in a bad position due to queen e8, which pins the bishop. Now, pawn takes, bishop check, king h6, bishop f6 eyeing to take the bishop at d8. Now, pawn takes check, king takes f4. The queen at c8 wants to check at g4. Queen g8 not allowing it. Queen d7, which is the only move. If it's other move, such as queen g4 check, queen takes, pawn takes, now bishop d8, it's one piece up. So as we go back, after queen g8, now queen d7, because the queen at g8 wants to mate the king at h6. So queen g5 check, king h7, queen takes pawn, king g8, queen h8 check, king f7, queen g7 check, king e6, queen takes queen, king takes, bishop takes, king f3, black resigns due to the pawn at f4 is going to be captured and there are majority pawns there now for white. I hope you enjoyed watching this presentation. I learned a lot about the opening stage, the middle game stage, as well as the end game stage. So thank you very much and God bless.